In this video, I'll show you how to create an email template in Zoho Mail, saving you time and keeping your messages consistent. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips. First, log into your Zoho Mail account and click the New Mail button to open the Email Composer. Next, in the toolbar, click the Insert Template icon. From the pop-up, select New Template to start designing your own layout. Give your template a name that reflects its purpose and compose the content in the email body. Include common elements like greetings, standard text, and a sign-off. But avoid specific recipient details to keep it reusable. Once your template looks good, click Create to save it. Now, whenever you compose a new email, you can quickly select this template, saving time and maintaining consistency in your communications. That's it. You've successfully created an email template in Zoho Mail to streamline your workflow.